Hi everyone. So there was no class on Tuesday, September 15th, but I did have you do a math diagnostic. This is because one of the FRQs on the AP exam is going to be based on some math calculations and showing those, and then you might see some more math on the AP test for the multiple choice questions as well. So it's important to kind of understand how math fits in with environmental science because, again, like we said at the very beginning, environmental science is super interdisciplinary. There's a lot of intersections with other types of topics as well. So I had you go ahead and do the Unit 3 topic overview. So if you head over to Unit 3, click on it. Here's the overview of the different things that we're going to be learning in Topic 3. Go ahead and make your T-chart, what I already know, what I'm going to learn, sort of thing. And then on College Board, you had your pre-Unit 3 topic questions, the progress check, so make sure you go ahead and do that. And then the actual assignment was that math diagnostic. So super important that you realize I don't care if you get the correct answers or not. I just want you to try your best and for you to be able to reflect on your math skills and in particular, like what types of questions are you good at and which ones can you work on and improve. And these are specifically ones that you might see for the AP exam, right? So here is the PDF, and it says that there's a typo. I apologize. I didn't catch it until someone mentioned it. But down here for question number 26, this 60,000 should actually be 50,000 to match up with the other numbers in here. So if you already did it, that's fine. But just know that when I give the answer key, it will show 50,000 instead of 60,000. Okay, great. So you have 27 questions on here, and there are different parts. So you'll see things like scientific notation, percent change, conversions, half-life, word problems. So these are the types of things that you might see on the AP exam. So what I want you to do is on a separate piece of paper, go ahead and try to answer these. Try to show your work for everything. You may use a calculator, but I still want you to show kind of what you typed into the calculator or things like that, because you won't get any credit on the AP exam if you don't show your work. And then once you're done with this, you can take a picture and upload it to Google Classroom. Perfect. On Wednesday evening, I'm going to be giving the answers to this, and what I'd like for you to do is to be able to check your work, and then you're going to answer some reflection questions that I post as well. So again, I don't care how many you get wrong. All I care is that you try, give it your best shot, see what areas you need to practice on and what areas you feel solid on. So go ahead and do that. Try to get this done in like 45 minutes, give or take. I don't want you to spend too much time on it, but I do want you to at least give each question a go. All right, cool. So be on the lookout for the answers coming very soon.